YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike. We are back with another video. Folks, I'm going to start off by saying I wasn't sure if this was going to happen today. Make a long story short, UPS thought they lost this and boom, showed up at my front door. So shout out to UPS and Samsung and the divine tech gods that helped me make sure I got this package today. This is the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the violet color. Now, I chose this color because I enjoyed the two-tone factor once I saw it in person at the store, and I knew that this is going to be the one I wanted because, being completely honest, the colors this year really didn't do it for me. The gray titanium looked too much like the iPhone's titanium, and I just really wasn't feeling what I saw. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. So we got our little stickers here at the bottom, so we're just going to do our little pull tab stickers here. Pull those open. I'm not sure what happened to my package in transit. Looks like, as you can see, my box looks like it got kind of beat up a little bit. But hey, either way it goes, I'm glad my phone is here. And I'm glad that it looks like it is in one piece. And look at that. Exactly as I thought it would be. This violet color is the truth. Nobody can take that away from this year. This color is the absolute truth. So, obviously, you guys know we don't get a lot in the box anymore. We get packaging, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and that's it. So I'm going to throw all of that over here because we don't really care about that anymore. Now, along with my pre-order, I did also get the vegan leather case in the violet. I also got the anti-reflective screen protector, and I got a pair of Buds 2 Pros. So we'll have the video on this coming soon, along with the video on the screen protector, because one thing that I am curious about this year is how is the screen going to be with other screen protectors, with two things. The first one being that it's a flat display now. The second one being that this has that anti-reflective coating. If you put on a regular screen protector that's not anti-reflective, like how's that going to affect or hinder it? So I've done my best to sequester myself from videos on this phone. So these first impressions that I have right now are truly my own. The one that I saw in the store was at the T-Mobile store. And I just got to say, first off, this color is everything. I mean, this moonstone type of violet, deep, like almost cobalt color, like from certain angles, it definitely has that blue hue to it. From other angles, it doesn't really have anything going at all. Like, you know, and this titanium rails, the phone feels really good in the hand, feels really light, but also feels really solid. Obviously, we got a triple camera array along with our laser autofocus, got our buttons on the side, and the completely flat display. So let's go on ahead and do the peel here. And let's power this bad boy on. So far, the flat display is awesome. Just looking at it, just looking at it, it looks incredible. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it actually cuts on. These side rails, this titanium frame, I don't know how to put it because I don't want to sound like I don't want to sound like a hype beast when I say this, but it really does feel different in hand. So here we go, Galaxy S24 Ultra. Obviously we got our S Pen as well. I'm gonna close that out because I'm gonna go ahead and get the phone set up off camera, but we got our S Pen as well. So we got our titanium gray S Pen to match the titanium frame of the phone. Yeah, man, this phone feels really good. I like it. Go ahead and get this thing set up. Just wanted to give you guys a first impressions and an unboxing of the phone. Stay tuned for more, guys. Galaxy coverage is coming. It's coming. It is definitely coming. So far, so good. This phone feels so light and it just feels so premium. Like, golly, man. Feels good to be home. All right, guys. That's all for this video. Just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you have any questions or any comments down below, leave them and let me know. Did you pick one of these up? Did you get one of the Galaxy S24 models this year? And also, just let me know what you think of this color. What you think of the violet color, man. That two-tone is doing it for me, man. Look at the silver around the camera rings, man. Like, that is... Oh, man. Yeah, this is it. I went with the right color for sure, for sure. All right, guys. Tech King Mike signing out. Peace.